You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this car model from Spanish manufacturer Seat. Seat is how you say it, not Seat. Anyhow, it's named after a city in Spain, León. León, stress on that on syllable, not Leon, but León. Seat, León. And now you know. More car names for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.